I carved the peaks while you crawled in the dark. I was the fire, you were killing the spark. You traded a kingdom for a whisper, a ghost, betraying the heart that loved you the most. I was the oak, the shield and the sun. You were a game that had already won. The hammer has fallen, the debt is repaid. I'm breaking the chains that your treachery made. Bigger and better, I rise from the flame. I'm taking my glory, I'm taking my name. Watch from the shoreline, a ghost of the past. The king is awakened and free at long last. 7 years of a poison you kept in your veins, while I was the master of winds and of rains. You follow the hollow, the weak and the blind, leaving the diamond of honor behind. I built us a world while you lived in a lie. Now watch as I soar through a limitless sky. The hammer has fallen, the debt is repaid. I'm breaking the chains that your treachery made. Bigger and better, I rise from the flame. I'm taking my glory, I'm taking my name. Watch from the shoreline, a ghost of the past. The king is awakened and free at long last. The CEO's throne and the power of mine. I've severed the cord and I've stepped out of line. You're a spectator now in the life that we grew, finding out what it's like to be nothing to you. I'm the architect now, with a heart made of steel, while you face the void of a love that was real. The hammer has fallen, the debt is repaid. I'm breaking the chains that your treachery made. Bigger and better, I rise from the flame. I'm taking my glory, I'm taking my name. Watch from the shoreline, a ghost of the past. The king is awakened and free at long last. You sold the gold for a dopamine thrill. Now the house of our echoes is empty and still. Fuck around and find out, the lesson is cold. You can't buy back a soul that's already been sold. The kid is my blood, the future is bright. I'm sailing my ship out of your sight. Bigger, better, my empire survives.